Hey guys, what's up? This is Gamo Edits, and for today's video, I'll show you how to create a powerful design like this for your business and presentations using this all-in-one design software called Visme. So what exactly is Visme? Visme is an all-in-one software platform for designing, managing, and building a strong brand or a professional business presence. Visme brings harmony to brands through their all-in-one solution to create, collaborate, and communicate any type of content. Designed with businesses in mind, Visme empowers teams promoting brand consistency in every visual project so the work gets done wicked fast and your story is told. With fresh new graphics added daily, more than 2 million royalty-free images, and 24/7 human support, Visme is the complete brand content solution for your business. Let us now jump into the site. Just type visme.com in your search bar, and you can register here for free using your Google account or these other options. You can also upgrade your plan later so you can access most of their branded templates and additional features. Once you finish creating your account, you will be directed to your dashboard in which you can start to create your designs or presentations. You can see here in your dashboard the project tab in which you can start to create. Just click this create new button and you can see the new project to start your design, then the import PPTX so you can edit and modify your presentations from a local device, and the new folder button to organize your works. Let us now explore the different templates offered by Visme, which you can choose according to your taste and needs. What makes Visme different from others is that their templates in Visme are created with business users in mind. They are slick and professional looking, and as you can see, the design templates are categorized accordingly. You can choose your designs for your presentations, infographics, documents, charts, printables, web graphics, social graphics, videos, and more. As a student, I think I'll be using more on the presentation tab, and you can see here different themes for your presentation according to their use, like for business, education, and more. Let us now try one of their templates. You can see the preview, and once you are decided, you can use this template. You will be directed to your canvas in which you can replace the text or images. Everything in this template can be modified and edited. You can also change the background by just clicking the background, then the background option, and choose photo library. So you can explore millions of free stock photos you can use provided by Visme. You can also apply filter to that photo by just clicking it, click filter, choose color for your overlay, then choose your color, then adjust your opacity to add some gradient effect. You can also change this photo by clicking it, then click upload so you can choose photo from your local device. Wait for it to load and you can see your uploaded photo. You can also change the font. You can see here the different fonts you can use. You can also add slides by just clicking the new slide button, and the slides we saw from the preview earlier will show. In my case, I will add all of them to my presentation. You can also add a blank slide so you can edit personally from scratch. You can then easily change the color of the background and add some elements into it. You can add 3D graphics from the graphics tab, and what I like about Visme is their animated graphics. We can add some animated characters, then adjust them accordingly in our layout. We can also change their pose according to your needs and preference. We can also add 3D animated charts to present our data and make it more engaging. You can adjust the chart accordingly. You can also change the data and personalize the font size, type, and colors. We can also add our own media such as the video, audio, or embed some online content. You can also choose and add some 3D graphics to support your content. The icons presented here are organized and professional looking. You can also add animated illustrations as your background. You can resize it and arrange it to the back. So here is the animated preview for this layout. We can also add some animations by just clicking the element we like to use, click Actions, then Animate. You can then choose animation that will perfectly suit your design. I will now try to add some animation to these icons. I will try to put different animation direction to see some clean animation. And here's the result for that particular slide. We can notice how simple the slide is, but it is professional looking and animated smoothly. We can also set a transition for each slide by just right-clicking the slide, change transition, then select your choice. You can then easily apply the transition for all slides. We can also add action links for each icons. We can add the what we call hyperlinks, wherein if it is clicked, it will go automatically to your set slide. You can do that by just clicking the icon, then the action button, and select the slide you want to land in when that icon is clicked. We can also add action links wherein it will go directly to a website. There's also an option here if you want to open it in the same tab or a new tab. You can also add action links as pop-up content. So here's the final result for this template. The design we use is very professional and we can see how smooth the animation is. Also, the action links really help this presentation to become more engaging and fun. Now let's move on to one of my favorite features offered by Visme, which is the branded templates. So what is this all about? So this Visme's AI-based feature will help you create a bundle of templates that perfectly reflect your brand in just 2 minutes. All you have to do is to input your website address into the brand wizard. It will pull your logo, brand colors, and fonts from your website. Then you just need to choose a design theme you like and boom! Your set of beautiful templates that match your branding is ready. This feature of Visme is really helpful to organize and maintain your theme for your business graphics or to your personal designs. Not only that, but the brand wizard feature is also helpful for you to build your brand or social media identity. I think this is one of the Visme's unique features that is really beneficial and time saver. Once you're done with your editing process, you can then share your output in the web. You can also share it to other Visme users. Not only that, you can also embed your designs in your website. You can also download your file and save it as JPEG, PNG, PDF, MP4, GIF, PowerPoint, or HTML5. To conclude this video, there are 5 things I really love about Visme. First is the ability to design, share, and collaborate in one place. In Visme, you can download your designs, depending on the project type, in PDF, PNG, JPEG, MP4, HTML5, GIF, or publish for the web with data analytics. Second is their powerful designs from templates, 3D graphics, animated characters, illustrations, action links, and the millions of free stock images. Third is their brand wizard tool, wherein all you have to do is to input your website address, then wait for a few minutes, then boom, your set of beautiful templates that match your branding is ready. Fourth is the powerful data visualization. Visme can suggest you color palettes, typography choices, fonts, suitable charts and graphics.
Lastly is their user-friendly interface. If you are a beginner, Visme will surely help you to develop your skills in graphic designing in such an easy way. You can also reach their 24/7 human support for your concerns and inquiries. So why not give Visme a try and help yourself save time and present your content nicely and professionally. I will link beside in the description so you can register and explore yourself about what Visme can offer to you. Again, this is Gamo Edits and thank you for watching.